Day 3, part 2. So I got a little, I realized I was working, and either I wasn't recording, but anyway, I roughly spot welded everything in on the patch. You can see that line that I was trying to create in part 2. In day 2, part 2 maybe, or part 3. As you can see, as it follows this contour here, I didn't put the back side of the patch in yet, so I can kind of still get that contour a little bit to match this a little bit here. I just wanted a vague outline versus just a flat piece of metal. So anyway, I'm just going to cut here, and then this patch will fall in and butt in. So that's the idea here, is with what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to cut behind there so I can weld it in. More or less at a 45-degree angle. Yeah, that will fall in. Nice and flush. And the old piece of metal fall out the back side. See how that goes flush like that? I just don't want it sticking up so much, looking like a lap weld. That's my goal. Granted, I might have to sand it flat with Bondo anyway. That's already nice and cut in down there. All right. So what I did was I cut everything back, and this is just gonna fall. This will fall right in as I weld, and I'll cut this down this corner and cut that in a little bit. Sitting at an angle. Whoops, I got a little bit of a gaping hole there. But anyway, I'll just have to throw some weld in that. Anyway, that's my attempt of kind of like, you can say, doing like cutting the old metal away and then butt welding it in place. It's at a severe 45, probably at a 40-degree angle or more. And I'll just follow this down here, and that's it. And I just didn't want to lap weld on top and showing a seam. I wanted to try to make it as seamless as possible. And so when I do put some Bondo over it, and then it'll be flat. So anyway, that's it for, what is it, day 3, part 2? All right, I'll come back later and I'm gonna grind some of this off and spot weld this in, and we'll go from there.